All right, we are making sour cream muffins, and we're going to start off with our crumble topping. So we're going to take our flour, sifted, add a quarter cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then we're just going to mix and mash all that up with our hands until it creates like this little crumble topping, and then we'll set that aside for later. Now we'll make our dry mix. So we got 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll sift that up, get that ready to go. Then next we will add our cinnamon. It's going to be 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to add that to our dry mix. Then we're going to add our baking soda, which is a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Add that as well. Then we're going to add nutmeg, another 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And finally, we're going to add some cloves, a 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. So we're going to mix all of that up, get everything incorporated, and we're going to set that aside too, so that now we can make our wet mix. And starting off with the wet mix, we're going to do 1 stick of butter, 1/2 cup, 1 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to add that to a mixer. I'm using the Edge mixer. I'm going to mix that up, make a nice little thick buttery sugar thing. Then we're going to put a little bit of egg in it, get it to be a little bit more creamy. Then we're going to throw in 1 cup of sour cream. That's going to make it even a little bit more creamy. Clean it all up, make everything nice and smooth. And then we're going to add our dry mix to that. I use the flex mixer, put it all in there until it becomes kind of thick. And then I said, all right, it looks kind of thick. Let me try to add the dough hook. But then I realized you don't really need a dough hook. It's already good to go. It's thick. Stir it up. So then I'm going to take all of that and I'm going to put it in a piping bag because it's so thick. It's super hard to actually scoop it up and put it in a cupcake dish. So using the piping bag, I squeezed it out, made 6 big cups, and I actually probably could have made like 9. It probably would have been better. And then after that, add the crumble topping back on top of that. Smush it in, make sure it's incorporated, add a little bit more on top. Make sure everything's good. We're going to put that in the oven. We're going to bake that at 375 for about 12 to 20 minutes. Because it was extra, I did probably 25 minutes or so. And there you go. Sour cream muffins. They're really good. I created them myself, and I encourage you to give them a try. This is one of the recipes that's in part of my book called Dish. It's available on Amazon. And if you would like to support me, much appreciated. The link in the recipe is in the description. Thanks for watching.